Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed of me? I thought, what age are we?
Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi. I'm Zina, and today I'll show you how to do these beautiful waves. For this purpose, I'll use this diffuser attachment that comes with a lot of hair dryers. This technique is used only for those with natural curls, so for wavy hair. In my last hair video, I decided to share with you my top hair trends for 2019. So one of those was to embrace your natural hair texture. Is actually helping us to not ruin our hair by straightening it. Of course, if your hair is straight, then you are so lucky. But if not, I'll show you how to embrace your natural hair texture in this video. So if you wanna know how I get these beachy curls, please keep on watching.
We'll begin with wet hair and make sure to use at this point some conditioning products. I love so much my leave-in product. This gives me so much softness to my hair. Then I'll use some cream for curls. That's it. And I'm kind of scrunching everything into my ends and all my hair up, like so. Then we'll use some mousse foam to hold our curls in place. I'm using this much, not too much in my opinion, but for me it's enough. When this process is ready, we'll take our diffuser attachment with our blow dry. We want to put over our diffuser our hair and hold it in this position for some minutes. Don't use too much heat, okay? Because if your hair is really curly or wavy, this will be too much for your hair. We need our healthy hair, right? So we want to repeat all of our head this process with the diffuser until our hair feels completely dry. This is very easy actually, you guys, until you'll get used to it. I'm not using any heat tools more than a hair dryer.
Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me.
And then at the end I like to spray some cosmetic oil on my hair, and we're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this way to dry your hair.
It's warm outside, and we all want shine. Bet you nobody in the city could stay in the crib this time.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, guys, please don't forget to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe so you'll not miss 3 times a week new hair videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!
Them shades, not a can't see, gonna run away, but I'm not speed.